Hello, Senior Stoner fan. Just the real Senior Stoner back at you for your bomb official unboxing, first impressions, and review. That's it. This is at thebombofficial.com. That is the website for the bomb. It's $179. This is the black version. I'm really looking forward to getting into it with you all. Thanks for being here. As always, you know I value everybody on this channel individually. I appreciate everyone's time. The bomb is another interesting approach to e-rig dabbing, torchless dabbing. Box, very clean, well packaged. Specifications on the back, full color photograph, real size on the front. So the bomb is the bomb. And let's get into it. This is the black version. Comes in several colors. The bomb. Here's our instruction manual. One-page instruction manual, user manual. A funnel. An accessory pack. The unit is packed nice and tight into a finger pull-out. Let's put the box aside of the bomb. Box is now aside. Let's take a closer look at the unit. Wow, look at that. It almost fits right in my hand. So from a size standpoint, I like the size a lot. It's not overwhelming in the way it looks or feels. The housing feels like it's a coated metal of some sort, an alloy type metal. I read that the glass can be used on Puffco Peaks. We will try that. Let's take a look at the accessory pack that it comes with. Pretty simple. Some swabs, a tool, and a USB-C charging cable. We can put the accessory pack away for the rest of the day. Couple of the features about the product is it's a one-button design. That yellow button is going to be the business side of it. That's all we're going to need to push. The one-button design and control allows for LED screen display of the exact temperature. We'll talk about it. We'll have color pulsing throughout the glowing light strips that are a part of the unit. And it ranges from 400 to 700 degrees. With 3 taps of the yellow button, you get into precise temperature control. With 5 clicks, you get into on and off. Let's turn it over and take a look. I've assembled the device since it came pre-assembled. I will put water in just above the air hole. I did say 5 times turn off and on. Manual is a push down and hold. Double click is auto heat mode. Very cool. It's a 2200 mAh battery. The material actually is aluminum alloy and high transparency borosilicate glass. So let's get the glass off. It's an interesting design. Check it out. See those 4 copper or brass looking things? That's the circuit that's built inside. In the bottom, in the business end, we have a completely encased in silicone ceramic atomizer. Ceramic atomizers tend to be the best for heat up and for taste. And we've got a joystick carb cap, which is going to really make it wonderful, I would expect. Let's get some water going into the product so we can start using the bomb. If anybody wants to buy one, you go on, you make sure I know the website for everybody. You're going to go on bombofficial.com. Bomb Official. And if you want to save some money, in all caps, you'll put in Senior Stoner. I'll talk about that again later, and I'll even put it down in the description for you guys. So when you like this, you can buy one and get a better price. Always try to help everybody out the best I can. It might only be 10%, but you know what? Every little bit helps in today's economy. The best I could get them to give my fans. It's a very new product. Excellent. So the water is right about where it needs to be. We're going to put it back with the air path facing front and the mouthpiece facing back. I will say that the airflow on this device, and sometimes I do judge devices by airflow, is excellent. So they've done a very good job selecting, creating, designing their glass. The throughput is like you have no glass on it at all. Amazing airflow. So without further ado, let's get started with our demonstration of the bomb. Today we're going to use Grape Ape live resin. Put some in. Cover the unit. Push it down. And let's 5-click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wow. Check out the flashing light. I might turn off the spot so we can see the lights better. Hold on. Let's check it out. What do you think? Can you see it better? Look at that. It's an orange, pink. It's got all kinds of cool lights. Blue. Look at that. And then it flashes back another color. Multiple colors sequentially. Here we go for our dab of the day. Cheers, everybody. Temperature right now, I have it at, is 520. But it's not up there yet. So I really want it to only go up to about 4 and change. I don't want it up over 400 degrees. We're going to try it at 4 and change. Here we go. Wow. Wait, they call it the bomb for a reason. Oh my gosh. Wow. Moly. Oh, Mulligan. Wow. I'm setting the temperature now. I have it at 531 degrees. I mean, that's a good temperature for fog. But it choke a horse. Wow. Power off. Let's be more specific about it this time. Okay? Loaded dab. 3 clicks. Let's turn it on first. Bomb on. Now enter temperature control. Temperature 1 degree per time. Single click. So I'm holding it down, making the temperature rise. I'm going up to 400. Here we go. Cheers, everybody. Wow. Jesus. What are you noticing about this? Must be the ceramic and the water. I'm not choking. I'm not choking. The bomb is pretty cool. I think the coolest thing about it is I'm not choking. I'm not choking. I like the lights. I like the color. I especially like that it fits into the palm of my hand like this. Let's see how efficient it was. It ate through my dab material very well. It did a very nice job eating right through the dab material. Let's take out a Q-tip and swab it up and maintain the device. That's the other part of owning one of these. You've got to take care of it. One of the things I like about the Bomb, it's simple. It's got a very large air path, which means it's going to be very easy to clean. I'm big on that. Let's remove the glass and show you what I mean. There's a large slot right in there. You'll see it. Large slot. That's where the air path is. So what happens, because that's such a large slot, is it gives excellent airflow coming through to the glass. And the glass has a large slot also, much larger, in fact, than most other products. Much larger hole. Much larger hole. Well, what does that do? That gives us enhanced airflow. So, the Bomb, couple things going on for it. I love the size. I really do. And it's stable. I like the airflow. I'm big on airflow for e-rigs. I like the one-button design and clear display. Senior citizen, hello. And the fact that it comes with a silicone-encased atomizer, which gets warm to the touch, not scalding, be careful anyway, and a joystick carb cap, you're really hitting all the bases. So, thebombofficial.com is the place you're going to go to get yours. Tell them I sent you in all caps, Senior Stoner, and pick one up for yourself. This has been the Real Senior Stoner, and we've been unboxing, giving our first impression and demo on the Bomb. I think actions speak louder than words, don't they? And we certainly saw the Bomb deliver an excellent hit. Matter of fact, it delivered several excellent hits. I found it to be efficient in using my fresh rosin, and I think that you will too. Thanks for joining me. You know what to do when you enjoy this video. Hit the subscribe button, send a like. I reply to all comments. Go get yourself one at thebombofficial.com and tell them Senior Stoner sent you. Have a wonderful day, and thanks again for being here, everybody, for the unboxing first impressions of the Bomb. Cheers, and have a wonderful day, everybody. Thanks again for being here.